born with all the masaledar filmy emotions. How can I forget the most loved era of Bollywood? Let me take you to the vault of with the most important step, that is the primer. Now I'm using Blue Heavens concealer as an eye concealer. Just drawing a thin line with these two dark shades on my crease, and now blending it very softly. Now I'm applying this brown eyeshadow shade from my Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette HD over this line and the corners. Now I'm applying this two white shimmery shade on the remaining area of my eyelid. Now I'm applying the same matte white shade on my waterline as a kajal. Heroines of that time used this trick to make their eyes look bigger. Now I'm drawing winged liner, which is like the star of this video because retro style means winged eyeliner. Heroines of those times used to have thick eyebrows, so I'm just trying to imitate them here. Not bad. Ladies and gentlemen, now the time has come when I will convert my dull face into Chand Sa Roshan Chehra. Yes, so please watch the full video carefully and follow these steps. Now let me give you some gyan about the retro fashion era. The word retro was first used in the world of fashion during 1970s. The retro reference was first coined by the designers of London, but soon it became a common word throughout the fashion world. Now, retro in fashion refers to the style that are either copied or adapted from earlier times. But at that time, it was so popular and trending that it developed a totally new kind of style. In Bollywood, the retro style was totally mixed with our own traditional attires and makeup. Retro style of draping saris, puffed hairs, winged liner came into fashion, and Bollywood and retro became inseparable forever. So friends, this is the final look. I created this retro look for the very first time, that too in front of the camera. I was pretty nervous this time, but it turned out to be good, so I'm happy. But I want to know your valuable feedback, so do comment down below your feedback, and if you like this look liked my presentation, the way I present my videos, then do like this video and subscribe my channel and do share it with your friends. I'm ending this video here. I will be bringing out more interesting vlogs and videos and makeup looks. So stay tuned and stay sanitized, stay safe, stay graceful. Bye bye.